I'm reviewing the New World wire mesh dog gate. I got this gate for my two golden retrievers to try to keep them in certain areas of my home. What I love about this gate is there is no assembly and there's no damage to my walls or my door frames. Once you pull it out of the box, it's basically ready to go. This gate comes in a natural wood color, which is really pretty, and it has a light gray mesh, which kind of modernizes the look. The gate measures 24 by 27 by 41.5 inches, and it's perfect for my different dogs. The gate has a really sturdy, comfortable latch to make opening a breeze, and it also has a notched locking system to easily customize it to your door frame. The gate stays securely in place, which is also a bonus for protecting your pet. The latch locking system is really easy enough to use with one hand, and there's also 4 non-slip bumpers for a secure and easy fit. I would highly recommend this dog gate to keep your dog safe and contained when necessary. This is definitely a doggo approved product.